So to make our sticky ribs, what we need are these ingredients here. Obviously we're going to need the ribs. We're going to need soy sauce, seasoning, salt and pepper seasoning. We've got some of this rice wine vinegar, Japanese rice wine vinegar, that's delicious. Olive oil, we're going to need some fresh ginger. There's some garlic cloves, about 2. Some star anise to give it that beautiful aniseed flavour, we're going to love that. Some honey for sweetness. Some spring onions, these are going to be finely chopped and put in. And we need about 400 millilitres of chicken stock. Any sort of stock will do really, but I'm using chicken stock. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll carry on. So season the meat really well on both sides, pushing the seasoning down into the meat. Then onto the hob with a pan, in this case it's an oven-proof dish, and then in we go with some olive oil. Then in we go with the ribs. We want to get some nice caramelisation going on here. Never put your ribs straight into the oven because you'll find they'll boil rather than cook properly. So always start them off on the hob. So now we're getting some colour, we can start adding our ingredients. We've got a bit of caramelisation going on here, if you can see this brown. Firstly we can go in with some rice wine vinegar. This gives it a nice sharpness. It's a start, it's a base flavour. Then we can go in with some soy sauce. This is a dark soy sauce, rich and strong. Then we're going to want a little bit of sweetness to counteract that sharpness. We'll put some honey in. There we go, in that goes. And this beautiful star anise, it's such a powerful aniseed flavour, but it mellows as it cooks. Now with some cracked black pepper. That can go over the top. A touch more salt, I think. Then we can cut the ginger. The thinner the slices, the more fragrant and the more tasty it's going to be. Finely slice our garlic, and that can go in. Followed by our really fresh spring onions. They'll have a little bit of a kick to them. Sprinkle those over the top. Give it a little taste. You've got to have a little taste every now and again. Now don't rush the cooking, because the longer it takes, the more flavoursome these ribs are going to be, and they'll be more sticky, and they're going to taste so much better. And then we're ready for the oven. Gas mark 2 for about 2 hours. You want it so the meat is starting to fall off of the bone, and you've got so much flavour in there. So it's into the oven. Well, look at those absolutely delicious sticky ribs cooked in a beautiful homemade sauce. Gotta try one. And so good too. I'm going to get sticky myself eating this. Beautiful flavour, not too hot, not too sweet, not too spicy, just right. Please try it for yourself, and I'll see you again next time. I'm going to finish these off. Bye for now.